time when we were human. Yes, you heard the right. But it is not the start of a fantasy story. It is the reality. It is the reality that we live. We were human once. Now, we only wear the skin of humanity. On the inside, we are hollow. We lost our humanity a long time ago. What makes us a human? I think it is a love and compassion that we show to animals. But the recent cases of animal cruelty has shown us that how low we have fallen. We humans are full of contradiction. On one hand, we worship cow and call them Gaumata. On the other hand, we reap the benefit from the cow without taking proper care of them. On various dairies, cows are neglected a lot. They are not a machines to generate money. They are the living creature who breathe and feel pain just like us. If a cow has given birth to a male calf, they are thrown outside without a care in the world. Just think of a minute. If the situation is reversed and someone will treat like us like that, then how will we feel? Dogs have a similar situation. They also suffered a lot due to our cruel and selfish action. Our hands are not able to feed them a loaf of bread or to pat them, but we can easily throw stones at them. There is also a strange case where we love our pets animals, but we can't stand a stray. Why is that? They both are animals, then why is there differences between them? Our pets are showered with loves and attention, but when it comes to strays, we started to throw stones at them. There are thousands of strays living on the roads of India. Think of them as your pet and think that what will you feel if someone throws stones at your pets. Like human, animals also has right to live. The recent cases of animal cruelty on a Kerala where an innocent life of animal is lost due to the cruel action of human has raised a question that why animals are treated this way. Animals' cruelties are one of those social issues which is not talked properly. They do not give a proper attention that they need. If there is a recent cases of animal cruelty, then we started to show our displeasure. But in a blink of an eye, we forget all about it, and hence the cycle continues. Our responsibility is here to make sure that these actions must not be repeated. Animals have suffered a lot, and this is the time to make their life comfortable and shower them with loves and attention that they deserve. Government must play an important role here. A new law must be made to protect the animal from these types of action. Yes, there is already a law for the welfare of animal, but that law is outdated as well as ancient. A new law must be made to protect the animals. The offender must be harshly punished to stop these types of action. If someone do these types of crime, then there is something fundamentally wrong with them. We also have to play an important role here as an individual as well as in society. The first step is to teach the students as well as children the story or the lesson of love, compassion and empathy towards the animal. The second step is to do not tease the stray animals. They have done nothing wrong to us. If you don't like the animals, just ignore them. You don't have to throw stones at them. And the third and the most important step is to teach them the lesson that every life matters, including animals. Animals are not voiceless. They just speak different languages. We must need the time to understand them. If you treat them kindly, they will give you unconditional love. Thank you. That's all.